Alright, it's tea o'clock. Perfect time to step away from the workshop for a minute and make a nice hot cuppa. But you know how it goes. You take that first sip and, yep, way too hot. There's a better way to do this. MASSO Custom Scripts to the rescue. With just a few lines of Lua, you can literally teach MASSO to check your tea for you. Yes, really. Temperature detected. Alright, now we're calculating the perfect drinking temp. And there it is. Perfect temp. Drink ready. Honestly, automation at its finest. Optimum tea temperature achieved. Because with MASSO Custom Scripts, your logic, real-world results.